Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best small espresso machines you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many small espresso machines and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each small espresso machines so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a small espresso machine. First, think about size and design because compact models should fit your kitchen space without losing style or performance. Next, look at the type of machine: manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic, depending on how much control you want over brewing. Also, check the water tank capacity and cup clearance to ensure convenience for daily use. Don't forget pressure and temperature consistency, as both affect espresso quality and flavor extraction. Consider ease of cleaning, removable parts, and descaling options to maintain your machine longer. Lastly, compare prices, warranties, and customer reviews to find a reliable brand that matches your budget. By keeping these points in mind, you'll enjoy delicious espresso at home every day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful coffee tips.